Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. So sometimes we might see that people are posting more than 10 pictures, as we currently generally see that we can post more than we can just post 10. So all we want to do is click just post more than 10 or 15 or like 20. So for that, we just might need to do the first thing is that go to your Play Store and just search for Instagram. Once you're there, you can see my Instagram is having an update. So I might click on that update, and if my Instagram is updated, my Instagram may be available under Instagram's regional operation it is that it will be able to give me the availability to post more than 10 pictures. And if your Instagram isn't updated, please make sure it is updated so that you can get that feature also. As you can see, my Instagram is updated. Once it is installed, I will be able to see if I can post more than 10. And let me assure you, Instagram sometimes might not avail in some regions. With that, also they have give you an update. So please make sure you are in that region so that you can avail that option. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.